Hello guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to discuss on how to increase your sales with YouTube ads. Alright, so we will start our presentation over here. Okay, so just give me a second please before I move forward. Yes, so now first we'll discuss what are the two types of marketing campaign on the YouTube platform. Okay, step one is it is organic YouTube marketing, so that is called as YouTube SEO. Then step two is it is called as paid marketing, that is called as YouTube ads. Okay, now we'll understand the live examples of YouTube organic marketing before we move on to paid marketing. Okay, so when you're following the concepts of YouTube SEO, what is SEO? SEO is search engine optimization. So basically, you have to integrate the primary keyword in the title along with the CTA. Next is, then you have to integrate the primary and secondary keyword in the description. Alright, so I'll show you some live examples. I'll open youtube.com. Let's say I'll type here as last mile delivery software. So this is the keyword which we are targeting. Okay, so what you can see from this is the YouTube feed. All right, and in this feed, what are the key components that are being displayed? So this is called as thumbnail. Yeah, then this is called as title. Next, this is called as description. Okay, now we have targeted last mile delivery software. So you could see that here it is used as brand plus your target keyword. So see, you could see last mile delivery software. So this keyword is being integrated in the title. It has been integrated in the thumbnail. You need to have a very good thumbnail guys, because that will actually give you a good CTR. Then if I open this video,
Are you amazed how Facebook recommends friends?
okay, if I scroll down here, here it is. We have also integrated the target keyword in the description. So here we can integrate primary and secondary keyword in the description as well. Right, so this is the live example here. So see the length of description, we have kept it to 500 words here. All right, I hope this is clear guys. Yes. Okay, so now we will study on how to research keywords. Okay, I open ads.google.com. I click on sign in. Then I click on my manager account. Okay, then I will click on my actual account name for here. Okay, so now I'm on the main stream of my Google Ads dashboard. So if you have to research keyword, right, first thing is you have to click on tools and settings. Okay, then you have to click on planning. Then here you have different options: performance planner, keyword planner, reach planner, ad preview and diagnostics, and next one is app advertising hub. So I'll click on keyword planner, open link in new tab. Okay, here you'll have two options: discover new keywords, get search volume and forecast. Okay, so I'll click on discover new keywords. Then here you have two options: start with keywords and start with a website. Okay, so first we'll start with keywords. I'll say as delivery software. software, last mile delivery software, delivery tracking software, delivery management software. Okay, now here you have to change your country because this campaign is targeted specifically for UAE. So what you have to do is you have to click on the tab here. So click on the link here, India. Okay, so you have to enter a location to target. So first we will remove India over here. Then we'll enter the location United Arab Emirates. Then click on target. Then click on save. All right. Then what you have to do is click on get results. Okay, so we have list of 312 keywords. We have to click on this icon. Here you will have different options, CSV or Google Sheets. Alright, so I'll say as CSV. So I'll get the keyword report over here. So just wait for a second. Yes, in here we have the report, CSV file. Alright guys, so see here you have a list of all the keywords here which you can target for your campaign. Okay, so here what you have to do is you have to filter your competition in three categories. Is high competitive, medium competitive and low competitive. That means first you need to figure out those keywords which is having high search volume, low competition, medium search volume, low competition and low search volume, low competition. Then you need to find high search volume, high competition, medium search volume, medium competition and low search volume, low competition. So you need to filter all the keywords in different categories, right? So let's say I'll figure out the first five keywords here. So what you have to do is I'll keep it here as highlighted. So these keywords I'll be targeting for my campaign here. Okay, so I'll target this keyword here and so this will be target for my campaign. I'm going to target these keywords for my campaign here. All right, so I'll click on save. Yes, so I hope this is pretty clear. Okay, now I go back here. Now this is one way to analyze keywords. Okay, now you can also analyze keywords with your competitor website as well. Okay, so what we'll do is I go back to google.com/preferences, click on show more, then click on United Arab Emirates, click on save. Okay, then again refresh the page. So we are on Google UAE. Then what you have to do is you enter your target keyword. I'll say as delivery software. Yes. So we'll identify one of our competitor over here. So I'll say as Locus. Okay. I'll copy this URL over here. Control C. Then now I'll say as start with a website. So here it is telling me enter a website to find keywords that match your site. So I'll enter the website here. Okay, so I'll say use only this page. Click on get results. So I have a list of 158 keywords over here. Alright, so now what I'll do is I click on Google Sheets. So, okay, so click on download. Click on open sheets. Okay, so see guys, here we have the list of keywords over here. So a competitor has targeted these many keywords for their campaign, right? See, here it is. So fleet management system, fleet management software. So first we will identify which keywords are relevant to delivery software. It is delivery tracking software. Okay, so I'll go here and type here as Control F, delivery software. Okay, so I'll just type here as delivery. Okay, see here it is, delivery dispatch software. So these keywords our competitors have targeted here. Okay, so this is how you can extract your competitor keywords by using Google Keyword Planner. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. I would be happy to help you. Okay, clear guys? Yes? Okay, so now we'll start with our presentation. If you're looking to increase your sales with YouTube ads, this could be the fantastic strategy. So now we will discuss what are the key steps that will actually help you to make the most of your YouTube ad campaign, right? So let's discuss the steps. Step one is you have to define your target audience. Now, what does this mean? You actually have to understand who is my target customer, and my ad content has to be actually relevant to my target customer. So in this particular case, you can use demographic and interest targeting options, okay, to reach specific group of people over here. So I'll show you when I set up the campaign. All right. Then you have to choose the right ad format. YouTube actually offers different kind of ad formats. Okay, so it could be in-stream ads, video discovery ads, and bumper ads. So you can choose the format that best suits your goal and target audience. Alright, so now let's go back to the practical. Okay, so once again, I'm going to show you if you want to log into your Google Ads dashboard. First step, you have to open ads.google.com. Yes, very easy. Click on sign in. You have to create your account on Google Ads dashboard. Yes, click on your manage account over here. Okay, then click on your actual account name. All right, now we are going to set up the campaign. Okay, so just hang on. Okay, I click on campaigns tab, campaigns. Okay, now this is the blue button. So I will click on plus new campaign over here. So then I click on plus new campaign icon. Okay, so I have a previous campaign. So what I'll do is first I'll pause this campaign. Okay, so I'll say as pause campaign. All right. Yes, then I click on plus icon, plus new campaign. Now, here you will have different campaign objectives. Now, this is telling me you have to select an objective to tailor your experience to the goals and settings that will work best for your campaign. So here you will have different objectives: sales, leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, brand awareness and reach, app promotion, local store visits and promotion, and then create a campaign without a goals guidance. Right? Okay. So what we will do is we'll click on sales. What is sales here? You can drive sales online app by phone or in store. So I click on sales. Yeah. Then I click on continue. Okay. So I click on continue. It will ask me select a campaign type. Search, performance max, display, shopping, okay, video and discovery. I'll say as video. Then it will ask me that will I be interested to drive conversions? I say yes. Get more conversions with your ads designed to encourage valuable interaction with your business. Then I'll click on continue. Alright. So I hope this is pretty clear, guys. So we will wait for our campaign to get loaded. Okay, so now it is asking me, okay, video campaign, goal is sales, subtype is drive conversions. So I'll say as video conversions, I'll say as beetroot campaign. Okay, now here it will ask me to define the locations here, right? Okay, so I'll say enter specific location. I'll remove this locations here. Okay, I'll type here as United Arab Emirates. I click on target. Okay, so I have available impression 3.6 billion impressions are available in UAE. So I'll say as English, Hindi. In UAE, you could find there are a lot of people who speak English, the and Arabic. Yes, I'll say as Arabic. I'll just say as English and Arabic. I'll remove Hindi over here. Now, in bid strategy, I have different options. Maximize conversions, target CPA. So I'll select as maximize conversions for now. Yes. Then I have to enter the budget and date. Okay. So you have daily budget and you have campaign total. So I'll say daily budget and keep it as 3,000 rupees. Okay. Then you have to define a start date and end date. So my start date is 28 February 2023. My end date is, I'll keep it as none. In networks, you have different options here. Here you cannot select because this is a sales campaign. You have YouTube search results. Your ads can appear next to search results on YouTube, only available for responsive and input video ad type. Then YouTube videos. Your ad can appear on YouTube videos, channel pages, and the YouTube homepage. And next is video partners on the display network. So your ads are displayed on this particular three options over here. Okay, so these are networks. So we need not add sighting for now. Now we have to create the ad group here, right? So guys, when you create ad group, so basically your campaign structure, what should be your campaign structure? It should be one campaign, one ad group, and you should have two ads. Ideally for A/B testing. Two ads is for A/B testing. Okay, I hope this is clear, guys. So here we'll say video conversions, right? So now we'll move it and say as custom audience. Okay, so here what is I have to do? We'll select the audience option. Audiences allows you to reach people based on who they are, their interests and habits, what are they actually researching, okay? and how they have interacted with your business or organization. To ensure your ads deliver the best results, what you have to do is you have to select an existing audience or create a new one. So I'll click on add an audience over here. Okay. So I'll click on plus new audience. So this is how we are creating custom audience here, right? So we'll say as enter audience name, we'll say as Fleetwood delivery software. Okay. Now this is asking me custom segments, people based on the search activity or downloads. So add or create custom segments, right? So here I'll click on plus new segment. So here it is. We are going to create custom audience. All right, guys. I hope this is pretty clear. Yes. Yes. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. I would be happy to help you. One second. It is telling me YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. As such, viewers will experience buffering issues. All right. No worries. Okay. So here I'll say as last mile delivery. All right. Now, what can I see here? Include people with following interest or behavior. Okay. It is telling me two options. Yes. First is people with any of this interest or purchase intentions. Second is people who search for any of these terms on Google. Okay. So what keywords we have actually researched with the help of Google Keyword Planner, right? So we are going to enter these keywords over here. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll copy these keywords over here. Control C, Control V. So now this is telling me segment insights. Okay, so weekly impressions is 50 million to 100 million impressions. Here you can see my gender is 77% male, age is 37%, 25 to 34. Parental status is 67% non-parent, right? So this is the ideal information about my target customers. And then I click on save. So here it is telling me there is an error. Now what is the error here? We'll figure it out. I'll remove this. Okay. So here I'll remove this. I'll remove this. This. I click on save. Oh, we'll change it here. It's the last mile delivery software in UAE. Okay. So I click on save. Here it is. So yes, guys. So we have created custom audience campaign here. All right. I hope this is pretty clear. So see, last mile delivery in UAE, this is having 41 million impressions here. Okay. And weekly impression, it is having in between 10 million to 50 million. Okay. I hope this is clear. Here you can also create interest and detailed demographics based on the interest life event. So as of now, we will be more focused on creating a custom audience campaign. Then I click on save. So I'll say in UAE. Click on save over here. Here it is, guys. So we have a campaign set up, almost ready. Okay, so we have created custom audience campaign, Fleetwood delivery software in UAE. All right. So I hope this is clear, guys. So you have understood on how you can actually set up the custom audience campaign. So here it is optimized targeting. Optimized targeting helps you get more conversions within your budget. So Google may find people beyond your selected audience. So guys, I suggest that you please uncheck this option. Okay, you should not use optimized targeting here. Okay, I hope this is pretty clear. Yes, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. Because why you are not supposed to use optimized targeting? Because you are giving control to Google, right? To actually change the settings. So I suggest that whatever campaign you are going to set up, you have to set it up manually. Okay, so if I remove use optimized targeting, so my impression count comes to 39 million impressions here, right? So now we are actually going to set up the campaign, right? So I go to YouTube here. I say as last night delivery software free. Okay, so I'll open this video over here. I'll copy this URL of the video. Okay, copy this URL over here. I'll paste it here. So now you have to enter your landing page URL. Okay, yes, I'll say as last mile delivery software by Freefoot. I'll open this URL over here. Control C. Okay, HTTPS. Control V. I'll say as connected delivery. So ideally, whoever is watching the video, they will be redirected to your landing page. Okay, and this is how you start getting traffic. As a result, you start getting more leads as well. Yes, then I'll say as connected delivery. Call to action you have to define here. Okay, so here it is telling me options. Yeah. Okay, so I hope this is pretty clear. Yes. So sorry, there was interruption over here. So I'll go back here. I click on sign up. Yeah, I'll say as Fleetwood. Okay, then here you have different options because this is called as video responsive ad, right? So I'll get it over here as Fleetwood Logistics, try Fleetwood free for 14 days. I'll say as try Fleetwood free for 14 days. So we have also created the ad. So I'll create one more ad. First, you will try to use the option which actually YouTube has generated. So now you might be wondering, how can YouTube actually generate the text? Okay, so when I have entered my landing page, right? Okay, so actually YouTube algorithm has generated the text from your landing page for your ad copy over here. Yes, I hope this is clear. Yes, okay. Any question, guys? You can ask me in the comments. I would be happy to help you. Then you have to enter your description. Okay, so I'll say as trusted by industry leading businesses all over the world. Okay, so ideally your CTA should be within 10 characters, your headline should be within 15 characters. Okay, then your long headline should be within 90 characters here. Okay, and your description should be within 70 characters. Yes, clear? Then what I'll do is I'll say my ad name. I'll say best delivery management software in Dubai. Then I'll click on create campaign. So guys, our sales campaign is ready. Yes, so it is telling me congratulations, your campaign is ready. Okay, so then what I'll do is I click on continue to campaign over here. Yes, if you have any questions, I would be happy to help you. So initially your ad will be in review. Okay, so it is telling me a custom audience campaign is eligible. I click on my ad group inside. Your ad takes some time for approval. So maybe within few hours, then your ads get approved and then you can start your campaign. Then you have to make payment to Google as well. Okay, so let's wait for a few seconds. In the meanwhile, I go back to my presentation again. So here it is, pending under review. Within couple of hours, your campaign will be approved and your campaign will be ready to serve once you make payment to Google. Okay, so most important thing while you are setting up your ad campaign is you have to create a compelling ad. The ad has to be actually appealing, engaging, and very informative. Okay, so what is more important here is you have to highlight the benefits of a product or services and make it clear why your viewers should actually enroll. Okay, this is something very important. If they want to enroll for a free trial, enroll for a free demo session, why they should do it. Then you have to include a very clear call to action. Your ad should include a clear CTA that tells viewers what you want them to do next, such as visit my website or learn more. Yes, then you have to monitor and optimize your campaigns, guys. This is very, very important. Once a campaign is ready, then you have to actually monitor and optimize your campaign. I need to monitor the campaign performance regularly. This is very important and make adjustments as needed. So, in this particular scenario, you have to use data insights to optimize your targeting, ad content, and CTA to increase conversions and sales. Okay, so very important for all of you guys, you have to monitor and optimize your campaign consistently. All right, then most important option here is test, test, and test. You have to test different ad formats, targeting options, ad content, and CTAs to find the best combination for your audience. So A/B testing is very important. All right. I hope this is clear. Yes, guys. Pretty clear. Any questions? Please ask me in the comments. I would be happy to help you. Now we will be doing the A/B testing. So we'll create one more ad. Create an ad over here. Okay. So we'll go back to say as right deliveries featured. Okay, so initially you have to copy your video URL over here. Copy this URL, Control C. Okay, then copy your landing page URL over here. Control C. Say as connected delay. Call to action, I'll say as start now. Now I have created some ads over here for last minute delivery software. So I'll say get your deliveries done faster and more efficiently with our delivery software. So first thing is what you have to understand the character limit. Okay, headline is within 15 characters here. So we have to use limited text. Control C. So we'll say as just Fleetwood for now. Okay, then we'll have a long headline from our ad copy here. 90 characters. Control C. See, we created the ad copy here, right? So it is 79 characters. Get your deliveries done faster and more efficiently with our delivery software. So you can take call to action and headline from the YouTube algorithm itself, because YouTube algorithm will actually get the data from your landing page, right? So you can take a long headline which is more customized as per your requirement. And you can also add description here, right? That is 70 characters. Say goodbye to manual tracking and hello to streamlined deliveries. So let's say what was the character limit over here? Control C. So this is 67 characters. So when you create ad copies, you can use that ad copy for long headlines and description. Say goodbye to manual tracking and hello to streamlined delivery. So this is 67 characters and above one is 79 characters. Maximum limit for long headline is 90 characters. For description it is 70 characters as well. Yeah, I'll say as delivery management system. Then I click on save ad over here. I hope this is pretty clear, guys. Now we have saved the ad as well. Yes. So see, both are pending under review. So we have set up the campaign successfully. Your ad will be approved within a couple of hours. So now there's one more step involved here is if you want to make payments to Google, how are you going to do it? So you are going to click on tools and settings, click on billing, click on summary, open link in new tab over here. Then you have to click on add funds and make payments via net banking over here as well. Yes, clear? If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. So here you will have different options: add, asset, videos, landing page, audience, content, and settings. Right? So I'll first go back to the campaign over here, custom audience, click on all campaigns. Okay. So this is bid learning. Okay. So this is called as bid strategy learning. All right. So the status here is, so we have kept a budget of 3,000 rupees per day. Okay. Then what I suggest is you click on settings over here, campaign settings. So here you will have different options, right? Because let's say you want to change the settings of a campaign, right? So it could be campaign name, campaign subtype, then campaign status, marketing sales, network, we have selected languages English. Now let's say you want to add more languages to your campaign here, right? So here you can say as Arabic for your campaign. Okay, then you click on save. Yes, and let's say you click on additional settings here. So I'll say as using account goal settings. So now you don't want that your ad should be available on all devices. Okay, so you can select specific devices here. Okay, so click on the drop down over here. I'll say as set specific targeting for devices. I want my ad to be visible on computers, mobile phone, and tablets. I do not want that my ad should be visible on TV screen. So I'm going to uncheck this particular option over here because the conversion from TV screen is very low. Then I click on save. Okay, clear guys? So with this, I end my today's session on how you can actually increase your sales with YouTube ads. Alright, in case you have any questions or need any help or assistance, you can be in touch with me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is +91 98502 76340, or you could send me an email at seomadhur@gmail.com. Thank you so much for your valuable time, guys. Have a wonderful day.